Yeah, we didn't do that one. Bi'ur Mishnah Gimel. Continue with Mishnah Gimel. Masaro. So this is after the vidui is finished with the goat. That the high priest is out of the picture now. Masaro lachar shehitvada alav. He is going to give the goat after he made the vidui. Masar hagohen hagadol et haseir lemי שהיה מוליכו, to somebody who was nominated to walk him. למדבר, to the desert, שהיה מזומן לכך מאתמול. That this person was already designated yesterday. And who can take him? Who's allowed to take it? הכל כשרים להליכו. Anybody is allowed to walk him. ואפילו ישראלים, even Jews, even non-Kohen. שנאמר בו, because it says, ושלח ביד איש איתי המדברה. Because it says, and you sent it in the hand of a man that was designated to the desert. איש איתי, ודרשו איש, what did it say? Send it. Yeah, you already know it's by a man now. Who else can send it? Yeah. So it says דרשו איש. Why does the Torah tell you איש? להכשיר את הזר, to tell you anybody can do. Otherwise it says ביד הכהן המדברה, or something like this. אלא שעשו הכהנים גדולים קבע. But the high priest had a custom. מנהג קבוע. ולא היו מוניחים את ישראל להוליכו. They didn't let the regular non-Kohens to walk it. אלא דווקא כהן. They wanted to make sure it was only a Kohen that used to walk the goat. אמר רבי יוסי disagrees. Rabbi Yossi says, מעשה והוליכו ארסלה. It says, I remember that Arsala walked the goat. And Arsala wasn't a Kohen. ושם איש, it was the name of a man, וישראל היה. And he was a Jew. So it says, it's a nice Mishnah that you're standing, they didn't let him, but I remember I was there. They did let a Jew, a non-Kohen do it. Okay. Both of them might be true. Maybe it was a special Israel, that's why they let him. Okay.
It happened one time.
Or maybe it happened one time.